Hi guys, this unboxing. It's a USB cable because it's in some sort of Hong Kong packaging. Yeah, basically, yeah. Let's get into this. It's weird packaging. Bubble wrap and a little card. That's it in the box. There's USB cable. Little card with shit on and bubble wrap. So this cost me £1.90, and it actually looks real. It's from Hong Kong. It said it was real on the web on eBay. That is actually real. I don't know if you can see that, but it says designed by Apple in California, assembled in China. You see that? Oh, anyway, just here before the dot port here, it says designed by Apple in California, assembled in China. So that means it's real. It cost me £1.80 instead of fucking 15 quid. It's pretty good. Anyway, this has been an unboxing of USB cable. Thanks for watching. Yeah. Rate, comment, subscribe. I've got another unboxing here, so I'll be uploading that in a minute. Okay, bye.